Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 Premium. Today we'll take a closer look at this stylish and versatile SUV, covering everything from its exterior design to its interior features, performance, and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 Premium boasts a sleek and modern design that stands out on the road. The front fascia features a bold, wider grille and refined LED headlights that give it an aggressive and sporty appeal. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve its overall efficiency. The 19-inch alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, making the CX-5 Premium a head-turner wherever it goes. A 9-passenger vehicle? Moving on to the interior. The Mazda CX-5 Premium continues to impress with its high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. The cabin is adorned with soft-touch materials and leather-trimmed seats that provide both comfort and luxury. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. The intuitive 10.25-inch infotainment system is the centerpiece of the dashboard, featuring seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features like the Bose Premium audio system, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the overall driving experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 Premium is powered by a robust 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine that delivers 187 horsepower. For those seeking more power, there's an available turbocharged variant that produces an impressive 256 horsepower. Both engine options are paired with Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system. The CX-5 Premium offers a smooth and engaging driving experience, thanks to its G-Vectoring Control Plus technology, which enhances stability and handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding roads, the CX-5 Premium delivers a dynamic and enjoyable ride. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 Premium offers a range of trim levels to suit different preferences and budgets. The base model starts at around $28,000, providing excellent value for its features and performance. For those looking for more luxury and advanced features, the fully laded version can go up to $40,000. With its combination of style, performance, and advanced technology, the Mazda CX-5 Premium is a compelling choice in the compact SUV segment. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 Premium. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.